Now, it must be quite expensive to keep this place up and running. Think of all the maintenance you'd have to do. Pardon? It's an aeroplane. Now, that says private, so we're not going in there. But it would be nice. There's some nice fuchsias. Dancing ladies, as we call them. Butterfly tree, right there. Capability Brown's Brew House. Crows. Oh, well, I didn't know that. Small beer was the common beer consumed daily by everyone else. Ah, I see. So what they did is they got the mash going, and one brew off would be the strong ale. The second brew off the same mash would be the ale and beer. Then small beer would be the third brewing from that mash.
Low alcohol content.
Yeah, that's right, because there wouldn't be so much in the way of sugars from the
Adding a little
mash.
treacle of honey was recommended.
Yeah. What, to get the alcohol up?
Adding a little treacle of honey was recommended. If supplies permitted, the brewer would sometimes mix a little ale with the small beer to improve the taste. I suppose it's because it was a low alcohol content. Yeah. The actual taste of it was maybe not that good.
They reckon that they would sell it as part of your wages, and it was reckoned that each batch of small beer covered the fuel costs for the entire brew. Well, there you go then. That's one way of making the peasants pay. Yes, so that's that's a bit of a. We do.
It's
Poke.
perfect design now.
Yeah.
Right, buddy.
You get him in the eye, did it?
No, I don't know. It bounced back. I don't think it did.
Probably banged his head. There you go, silly boy.
We want to see what it was.
A nice. Something's jumped in there. Cat maybe, fox even. Now. Helen? Dogs, all right. It's a dog graveyard. And cat, all right. Okay. Yeah? 13-year-old, are they?
First one's pudding. Look.
Oh yeah.
Labrador.
Rufus Alsatian.
3 years.
Labrador, 1990.
Wow. Dachshund, 17 years old.
Oh wow.
Wow. A lot of them they were old.
Yeah. Well, it shows.
Seem look as if they last longest. Dachshund's there.
Yeah.
17 years. And that
17, yeah, there you go then. I had quite a few Labradors and Alsatian. Well, it's nice to know that they respected their pets. Now then, where do we go from here? Yeah. What lens have I got on? See if I can take some coos over there. I know it's probably at the end of the flowering season, but look at some of these nice brightly coloured. Got some nice berries there. Nice quiet bit of park. Where do we walk across?
To the hall,
Yeah, yeah.
to the campsite.
Yeah.
Over there.
Okay, we'll go across there.
Blue
In a minute,
sign is it
yeah. Oh, I see.
something?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
The orangery in here with lemons and lime trees in it.
Yeah, we'll go and have a look, shall we? Oh yeah, I see them. So is that why they call it an orange tree? Is it orangery?
Orangery.
Is that because they grow oranges? That looks like a lime tree.
That's what I just said.
That's got some.
This one looks like a lemon tree.
Eh? Yeah, that's a lemon tree. With they're green still at the moment. So there's a yellow one right underneath. Well, if they let me go in and steal one. Oh, go on. Well, that's a lemon tree. That's definitely lemons there. Limes over there. They're big limes there. Oh, we could do a couple of gin and tonics with that one. Well, I'm pretty sure they won't let us eat one. Take it home for our... And what's this up the end here? This, it's another lime tree. The orange...
It could be kumquats at the back.
kumquat, yep, yep.
I'm going to a kumquat factory in Greece.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
It's a lemon tree, this one.
Is that a lemon tree, is
This
it?
one is. See the lemons?
Yeah, oh yeah, see the lemons. I thought that was
Down
another
there,
lime tree.
No, lemons.
Yeah, big lemons, aren't they? We should get some big lemons out in Greece.
Near where we're staying,
Yes.
we've got a tour booked for the... I don't remember what day it is. But we'll go to a kumquat factory
Right.
where they make liqueur.
All right. What liqueur is that then?
Kumquat liqueur.
Yeah. What kind of a tree is that?
It's a sweet chestnut tree.
Oh,
It says there,
all right.
the oldest sweet chestnut tree in East Yorkshire,
Well, you never.
with a girth of 24 feet.
All right.
They're actually having to hold that branch up, look, with sticks.
Yeah, yeah.
Dates back to the late 16th or early 17th century.
A lot of it's dead though.
Yeah.
Some of the branches. Not bark come off.
Want to walk through there?
Eh? Oh yeah, we can walk through there.
Want to walk round
Yeah.
and back up?
Yep.
We get the back of the hall then.
Yep. This is another yew tree, is it? Or it looks like a pine tree actually.
Not a me tree, no.
Eh? No.
Oh, what's that? Is that a plum tree?
Oh yeah. I don't think they're plums, are they?
Possibly not.
Go and have a look.
Don't know. Could be green gauges.
Could well be, because they're not plums. They're
Yeah.
too small for plums.
Could be crab apples.
Yeah.
They look like crab apples actually. They're not.
I don't know what those blackberries are down there.
I don't know. I thought they were blackcurrants, but they're not.
No.
I don't know what they are.
Have a look at that. Quite nicely coloured,
I
eh?
think they're crab apples.
Mm-hmm.
Because yeah, I think they are.
Could well be.
Do you want to walk round and then
Yep.
go up to the back of the house?
Yeah. Must have been nice in the heyday. It must have been nice at one point. With a,
It reminds me of Elizabethan times.
yeah. Imagine them having a party at Downton Abbey.
Yeah. Corn buns.
Oh, raisins. Giant, oh, don't want us to be seeing that. Is there a moat? Not going to go too close to the edge. Yeah.
Little bridge there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
There's the campsite there.
Yeah, there we go. Right over in the distance, we can see the campsite. Now, we stayed there one year. It was absolutely lovely. Although it's only about 5 miles from home, it's a whole world apart. I'm taking some pictures of those trees over there. The bottom of the trees are all level. That'll be the level of the cows, as far as the cows can reach up. Imagine this when it was all new and the borders were nicely maintained. They like the avenue of trees, don't they? These pet lions behind him. Or was that just a lion's skin? Now then, here we go. Crisscrossing of paths. Now I wonder what was on those plinths there.
I think that there were deer on them.
Yeah.
I just have a feeling that there was deer on top.
Yeah. Well, definitely there's something on the front there. There was something on the front of the plinth as well. That's been taken off.
Yeah.
And then there's that nice avenue of trees going somewhere, looking. So there we go. That's the avenue that way.
The back of the house, isn't it?
Right, I'm doing a 180. That's the other view that way. So let's turn it around again. You don't want to see me, so let's turn it around. There we go.
Do you want to walk that way and see what's at that side of the house?
Yeah. Well, it looks like they've got porter cabins over there for something. Portaloos. So there's a couple of missing statues. Either they were made out of something valuable or they've gone to a museum somewhere. Unless, of course, they just fell apart.
Sure, there used to be stag.
Pardon?
Sure, there was stags on that.
Yeah. There's big moo cows over there. Again, looking at this tree, you can see where the height of the cows' heads were.
Pretty flowers down there.
Yeah. What's that kind of flower there then? Yeah. Purple, nice purple. I do like to see a flash of yellow on the grass.
I think that's Costly.
Is it?
I think it's costly.
Yeah. Very delicate leaves. Sudden drop.
Wall. What does that mean?
What it means if you fall over, they go ha ha. Yes. Wonder what they made those out of. Those statues. Because there's quite a few of them. Very pale stone. I wonder if it's part plaster. That one's beginning to break up. Yeah, it looks like it's.
Years, haven't they?
Yeah, it looks like it's probably a wire frame. You see some
Yeah,
rust
the
coming
rust on
through.
his arm,
Yeah,
or her arm, or whatever it is.
yeah. Bit of rust. So maybe they've broken up, being more exposed.
All those top windows are fake, look.
Are they?
Can you see?
Oh yeah.
Even the one on the facade, look, because there's nothing behind it.
Yeah. All right. That flag could be yellow and green. Oak tree.
Acorns, look at that.
Yeah.
Look at the acorns in there.
I can't reach, so I'll go here. Yes.
Sign of winter, I suppose.
Mhm.
This way. Come on, Freddie. Which way are you going?
Yeah, let's go back up that way. I don't think we'll see much because of the fence. Fence in the way.
Which, where we camera reach up to do, we'll be able to see what's over there.
Yeah.
Can't see.
Oh, I'll get another 6 inches, 8 inches on the top of my extended arm.
Very quiet place, isn't it?
It is.
Apart from the jet.
Yeah, we can just hear a jet flying over. As we're not too far from the military grounds here, really. All of those windows there.
I was just going to say, apart from the three in the middle,
Yeah.
also.
Do you think they live on the top floor, or is it just deserted now?
No, it's a family lives there.
Do they?
Mm.
All right. That must be quite.
It's nice lit up on a night time from the campsite when you see it.
Yeah. Well, we've got lots of lights. Is that people up there, or is that statues? I think it's statues. Mannequins, that's the word I'm looking for. Well, the dog's got to go. They'll shit anywhere. not there. Oh no, downstairs. Downstairs they're not. But up there is mannequins in that window. Obviously someone doing a bit of a tour. One second. Hey?
Thank you.
That's the one thing about having a dog is they have poos.
It was exciting.
Was it exciting?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sarah just said while the camera was turned off for a second that the airplanes just come over here when they were camping, and they used to come over real low. Of course, they can't do that anymore. Probably some health and safety buffers.
They used to stand and wave.
Yeah.
And sometimes they used to tip their wings as if
Oh.
they acknowledged us.
Wave their wings. There's the back of the orangery. That's probably where there's a big boiler to keep it all hot during the winter. What time do they shut?
I don't know, I think it's 4 o'clock.
Okay, it's only 20 to 3 now. Excuse me.
Still got the basket where they have lanterns.
Yeah.
I haven't been in this bit. I think it's
Just come out there, haven't we?
Did we?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so 10 o'clock.
Yeah. Yeah,
Oh,
well,
I don't know why. I thought there was more gardens, walled gardens at that side. But you might probably say one about it.
I'll take the bag.
Mm-hmm.
Can you manage?
Yep.
Now it's very eerily quiet here, isn't it? A few voices from children over there, but otherwise it's just so quiet.
This big chest game and drafts.
Yeah. Oh, I wish I'd learnt to play chess.
Dad used to teach us drafts, but I could never pick it up. Oh, look at them sweet peas.
What, were the little tiny discs too big for you? Oh, sweet peas. Oh yeah. Let's do some cinematic photography, shall we? Should we come along here really low?
Yeah, the ground sweet peas.
Mm.
Favourite flower. I don't have any in the garden.
And there we go. There was a sweet peas. Another avenue of trees running this way. I would think that this is heading south. Sun setting in the west.
Yeah.
So, yeah. some sheep up there. Back over there is where we had our cup of tea and a sandwich.